There is renewed attention today on NASCAR's safety measures after that scary crash on the final lap at Daytona, which sent driver Ryan Newman tumbling through the air. Newman is expected to survive, in part due to changes made after another crash at Daytona 19 years ago. Manuel Bojorquez reports from Florida's Daytona International Speedway on those measures.
There's so many areas on this car, and not hardly any of it can you look at that safety hasn't been thought of.
Andy Petrie has lived and breathed racing since 1981.
Everywhere you can see where a car could possibly hit is protected.
Yesterday, he showed us a series of features NASCAR has installed over several decades that he believes helped keep Ryan Newman alive at Daytona, from padded doors.
This is a crush zone, so it absorbs energy when something hits the side.
To window nets.
If anything happens in a crash, it keeps the arms and things from coming out. But
to stiff carbon fiber seats.
It can stand a lot of impact.
Crash into the wall, into the air goes Newman.
As spectacular as it was, we still expect our drivers to be able to get out and, shake it off.
Petrie was the crew chief for the late racing legend Dale Earnhardt Sr. for 2 years in the 90s. Earnhardt's 2001 death on the same Daytona track sparked a safety revolution, including requiring all drivers to use an upgraded seatbelt and harness system.
When you have an impact, it keeps your head from going, over traveling and causing bigger injuries.
Drivers must also wear fire retardant racing suits, and new, more crash absorbent walls have replaced concrete around the perimeter of nearly every track.
And if you think about it, race 200 miles an hour, side by side, you can flip up in the air, and 99 times out of 100, these guys are getting out of the car and walking away. But, this time it didn't happen.
Petrie's company helped build a new generation of sports car that will be used by every driver starting next February. But a local sports columnist told me that he believes speed restrictions on the race here at Daytona keep drivers clustered too close together, and that could remain a problem. Anthony?
All right, man, he's still remarkable. Ryan Newman made it out of that crash.